Hi there, kitchen family!
And welcome to our channel. I am Marty.
And I am Dille. Today I am going to show you how to make aioli. First of all, you need garlics. A few like this. You need mayonnaise. Like 100 grams or something. You need dill, lemon juice, pepper and water. Right, now we put the mayonnaise into the bowl. All of it. Yes. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of dill. Something like this. Some lemon juice. And of course, garlics. Fresh. And also some water. And then mix it through. And we need to taste it as well. Here we go. Yeah, it's very delicious. It's Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up.
Leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to us yet, then I'm starting to think that you do not know what the subscribe button is for. It is to subscribe to our channel, of course. If you help us reach the 500 subscribers button, we will both eat a ghost pepper.